Hi friends, today we are going to see how to install Visual Studio Code. So I'm searching Visual Studio Code in Google and then I'm clicking this link, download for Windows. So the download has been started. Okay, after it is getting downloaded, I'm just opening that exe file. Then I'm double clicking it. I'm just running it. Simply press I accept, next, install. Finish it, and then you will have this. You can simply go to extensions and then look for live server. You can simply click install it. Okay, cool. After installing it, you will see a go live at the extreme bottom right corner. That's it. Now I have a file which is called tweenmax.html. I have opened it, and then if I press go live, see what happens. That's it. Simple.